everyone. Today I want to share focus on enjoying the process and keep going. See, no matter what you are, if you're an actor, if you're a singer, if you're a dancer, if you're a coach or a speaker, right? Nobody becomes successful in their first year. We all know Coca-Cola sold 7 Cokes in their first year, right? Or if you're an entrepreneur, we have so many wonderful entrepreneur and spiritual entrepreneurs in our community, or light workers, or we have narcissistic abuse coach as well. So you guys have great mission, right? So I truly love that, and I truly love to work with people who have truly wonderful mission in their life. So I truly love to help them. So what I want to share is that focus on enjoying the process, right? See how you can go ahead and enjoy the process more. What you can do, like if you truly love coaching, then coach more. All right, so yes, that's what I want to share, that focus on enjoying the process. Also, I have learned in my journey, in even things you don't love in your business, you have to see how you can go ahead and enjoy those things, right? Like I shared with you guys that I don't love working on a website, right? So but in last month I truly enjoyed working on a website. So because you guys know I truly love listening to podcast. So what I do, I play a podcast and side by side I work on a website. So it's fun for me, right? So even if you don't love something, there is any part of your business you don't love, then you have to see that how you can go ahead and enjoy that part, right? So like I don't love cleaning as well, you guys know, but your environment matters, and there should be a lot of positive energy instead of negative energy in your environment for your business to thrive. So I do same with cleaning as well. I play my favorite podcast and then I clean. Though I'm not very good at it, but I'm learning. Right? So whatever things you don't love, you have to enjoy those things as well in your journey. All right, so that's what I'm also learning. So focus how you can go ahead and enjoy the journey more. Also of course, surrounding yourself with great people will matter. You can learn from other things what you don't love doing, how others are enjoying the same thing, how they are doing, right? So we can learn so much from each other. And also keep going, because of course if you have a great mission, you will be inspired, right, to keep going. But let me tell you guys, like yesterday was Rakhi, so I was feeling a bit lazy today, so I have to force myself to get up and do makeup. So it happens with me, I think, after my birthday or after any festival, whether it's Diwali or Rakhi. So though I don't work on any Indian festival, whether it's Rakhi or it's my birthday or my brother or sister's birthday, or in fact Christmas or New Year as well. So few days in a year I don't work. I love to spend that time with my family. So yes, otherwise rest of the days I work, and I truly love working as well. But yes, I truly love spending time with my family as well. So I have seen in my journey, like when any festival comes and next day I don't feel like getting up, then I have to force myself to get up. Right? Of course I ate a lot. I ate a lot of sweets and a lot of good Indian food. So yes, so yes, also I don't mind eating on any festivals. I love to celebrate festival. I think it's a time to be with your family and enjoy. So I truly enjoy. Later on next day I can diet, right? So yes, so now I have to go ahead and take care of my diet. And yes, that's what I wanted to share, that focus on enjoying the process and keep going. Also, I believe life is a roller coaster. So whenever you will go up, you will go down as well. There is no one in the world who always stay up or who always stay down, right? So after a night, sun always show up. So no matter, you know, how dark your situation may appear, the sun is about to shine, right? So don't give up when you are just on the verge of success. Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.